Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2008 Suzuki 140. This one is a 25-inch. It's set up as a tiller right now. I can make it remote. I cannot make it a 20-inch. Not on this one. I'd have to replace the whole midsection, and I just can't do that. This one's got 150 on all 4 cylinders. It came back with 784 hours on it. Most of those hours are trolling hours. This guy just upgraded to a brand new 2022 140. Same setup, he loved it. We went through, did impeller, plugs, lower unit lube. We also did the power head oil, changed the oil filter. We did a pressure test on the lower unit. That came back good, so no leaky seals or anything like that. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. I cannot rev this one too high. I'm not willing to break the tank again. Going forward. Back neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. This does have tilt and turn right here on the handle. Also right here on the side of the motor. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.